In this video, we're going to talk about our Blackthorn Terminal feature of Blackthorn Payments. As we all know, using Salesforce takes a lot of clicks, especially when processing payments. You have to click between 5 to 10 screens just to do this simple operation. We created the Blackthorn Terminal to make this whole process fast and easy for your users. It works from any object as a Lightning component. It allows you to configure the fields within each screen. It allows you to have configurable actions, and you can pre-populate those fields. It also works from just about anywhere in Salesforce, which we'll show you in this demo. So here we start from an opportunity that's been closed, and you'll notice we have the account of the Blackthorn Terminal account and the amount of 1400, which have been pre-populated here in our terminal. We're going to now charge our customer, where we could opt to just add a payment method and charge them later for something to be discussed, but for now we're going to actually process the whole transaction. So here you'll see we have our related to already filled out. This means that our payment methods are going to be pre-filtered by that related to. But let's say we wanted to relate someone different. Now, maybe we wanted to pull the cards that were related to a certain contact. So here I'm going to search for Adam Smith, and you'll then see we have payment methods related to Adam Smith, but Adam wants to use a new card today. So we're going to type in Adam's new card. And now that we've added Adam's new card, it's ready to be charged. This was added via a PCI compliant fashion using Stripe's API. We'll add a description. The currency can also be pre-populated based upon the opportunity's currency, just in case you're using multi-currency. We can then process the transaction immediately. We can capture it on a future date, or we can just authorize it. If you had any custom fields you wanted to add into the component, you have the ability to do that as well. What this has done has now created the transaction, processed the transaction, and given us the feedback of the transaction. If we click here to view that transaction, you'll then see we have our completed and captured transaction. Below, you'll see all of the fields that come off of the Stripe IDs. And if we go back to our opportunity, you'll see in the related to, we have our transaction. So this terminal also works within the new utility bar of Lightning Experience. So this is useful in case you have call center personnel or volunteers working just off the account and you need to quickly pull this up to do a very simple type of process. You don't have to train all of your users on how to use Salesforce. You can just launch this right from the utility bar. You can also use this from Classic using a pop-up. Here we have it on the account, and all you'd have to do is click the little button to pop up the screen. Also from the case, you can see this in the sidebar in the Service Cloud console. And if you're running Salesforce One, you can also use this on your phone. So here you'll see it as the top app within the side navigation. And here you'll be able to use the terminal just as you would in the opportunity that we showed. So go ahead and install or upgrade from the App Exchange today to have our new Blackthorn terminal. And don't forget, this feature is free in the package. If you have any questions, just send us an email. Thanks.